Hey, 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 it's that time. Tuesday. Tuesday, let's do it. Tuesday, we're talking about Advent, the 4 Sundays, 3 Sundays leading up to the fourth Sunday for Advent. Woo, woo. Y'all, come on, get up. Let's get to walking. Let's get that body moving. Woo, woo. Let's get that heart rate raised. Let's get going. I don't have much to say about the Advent Sunday today, because to be honest, I didn't pre-read my information. So, but we can go back over. Whew. Advent again, for those of us who missed it. Whew. Well, if you miss one day, it's like you missed a week. I missed one day last week, Friday, and it's like you missed the whole week. That's why you can't let the body get rest. You got to keep it moving. It has to continue to move, even if you're moving in place. You got to let it move. Let's see what we can talk about for Advent. A little recap. We did say the Advent, which begins on the fourth Sunday before Christmas, marks the start of Christmas year. Christian year, not Christmas. It's a period of preparation, reflection, and anticipation, focusing on hope, peace, joy, and love. Cousins, wouldn't that be nice if that was all we were taught when we were being raised? Hope, expecting the coming of Jesus Christ. I don't know how many of you were taught since a baby to expect the coming of Jesus Christ, but I know it sure wasn't like as big as the TV, the radio, and all of that. Being taught peace, reflecting on the peace that Jesus brings. Cousins, get to know God. He will give you a peace that's unimaginable. Woo, woo. I quit, y'all. It's a lie. Never quit. And slow down. Cousins, joy. Celebrating the joy of Jesus' birth. Whew. The joy of Jesus' birth. And love. Embodying love that Jesus represents. Okay. Just went over hope, peace, joy, and love. I must say, I didn't read ahead of time. So, cousins, be blessed. Stay in hope. Remain in peace. Give love and show joy. Peace and blessings.